All right, a very good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We are here from Enterprise Systems to present you something uniquely innovative, we'll say, entirely different. Why we say that is, you will see it yourself. Up here is cost management by process innovation. Innovation at its best, I could say. So sit back and enjoy, and you can ask any number of questions as you would like to. All right. Let's take a day at a travel agency. You know, there's so much to be done. On one side is your customer. On the other side is your supplier. And we've spoken so much right now how difficult it is to get your customer. Simon here said, you know, customers come, their tolerance level is very less, they run away. Yes? So you do all this, you do a big gamble, you do a big game to bring your customer in, and he generates an inquiry. He generates an inquiry, and in order to facilitate this inquiry, you need to put together an item together. Say you need to speak to 5 different people. Yeah? And doing this is not easy. There's so much work that has to be done in order to put one item together. Maybe one staff will do it. There's calling to be done. There's emailing to be done. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a lot of work. Think about it for 100 customers. As many as 100 leads a day. This requires 100 times the same thing to be done. How many staff would you need? Huge, humongous. And with the business growing and with Sri Lankan tourism growing at a rate, we are talking about so much of work and so much of inefficiency. Why is that? This is fact. 98% of the leads never materialize. This was taken down. We will have the source, we will give it to you. Only 2% of the leads, or only 2% will convert into real customers. This is fact. Yes? Only 2% convert. The industry standard conversion rate is just 2%, meaning the 98% of what you have just goes off. So there's so much that is done. You pay so much for SEO, you play around the game, you bring a lot of customers. At last the customer thinks of sending you an email. After he sends it, or different ways of sending you an inquiry, what do? 98% of them we kill them. Only 2% convert. Meaning only 2% pays for the entire party. Yeah? So only 2% pays for the entire party. So we at Enterprise Systems, we are going to bring you a transformation. We're going to revolutionize this. How we are going to do this is the magic here for you. If you see this, we are going to give you something called the TAMS. This is what we offer you. So in our travel agent's life, there is a dream, there is a plan, there is a book, an experience, and a share. We spoke about that. Simon explained it perfectly. So in these points, there's so much work to be done for every individual. Through TAMS, you know what we're going to do? We're going to make your life easy. We will help you dream. We will help your customer plan. We will help you to do your booking, experience, and share through one system. How does that sound? Just one system, and you can do most of the work that you do for a customer with a click of a button. So you don't have to be tech savvy anymore. You don't have to run multiple applications. You don't have to open your inbox to do this. You don't have to answer your phone to do many things. Facebook, there's so much to be done. So we bring this to you, ladies and gentlemen. TAMS together is one system that offers you a whole heaps of work done. So what does it do? This is truly innovation. Why? And I'm coming to the main point. If you have a look at here. So the industry across the world, 2% converts, and we have proved, and we have done it in a better way. We've doubled this. So we've truly doubled this. We're not just talking about numbers. The numbers are all in books. We've got the customers in, they've subscribed. So we've doubled and we've recorded double. And how we do it is, it's a web-based system. You can log in from anywhere. You don't need a multi-supercomputer. You have internet, you log into our system, you send it across. Because we have an information hub here. You say information hub. It's information put together for you already, which is there. And if you want to customize, you can customize it. And you can still hold your key element of what you want to add with you. Because we have a common platform. You can add something else to it, and you can keep it yourself. Brilliant. So we give you a freedom by a web-based system, increase team efficiency because you're not going to forget anything. You're going to enable collaboration. Your supplier to your customer, all these things in one system allows you to work faster than ever before. Sounds interesting because our customer who does this says that it responds to more leads and it saves time. And most importantly, on MIS, we give you insight. See, marketing is done, but how many of you know your marketing accountability? You spent money, great, but do you know the money that you spent last time during June, how many leads you got, what you did for it? Do you have marketing accountability? Now gentlemen, if you are the person investing in this business, or if there's a boss for you who doesn't understand a lot of technicalities, Tamsis gives you a simple solution, gentlemen. What it is it gives you insight. Perfect insight, nothing can go wrong, because everything monitored through one system. That's standard. And the next perfect thing, saves by review start. Now think about it, 100 customers, 100 different documents to look at. A lot of time. What we are going to do is 100 documents, we don't have to look at it over and over again. Click, 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 gone. Click of a button, already gone. So how many staff do you need? Less staff. So we're talking about cost management through process innovation. Do it the better way. Become more efficient than ever. And while you do this, you have more happy clients, you will improve your conversion rate. And we've proved this over the period of time. If you have a look at this, these are statistics from accounting books, all which was drawn in. We have shown numbers where people come in and they do it in a better way. So what we're talking about is doubling your conversion rate. You do so much. You spend your marketing budgets to bring customers in. You bring your marketing budgets, you do so much. We do in branding Sri Lanka, we do so much. Everything is done, but customers have very little tolerance. Think about it. He sends you details, he's asking for something, you take a lot of time, you're gone. 98% of the customers are killed. Only 2% materialize. So we tell you what we can offer is a service assurance to say we can double that. You know the best part of us? We've been in the industry from 2003 and 2003, and you know the whole thing here is that you don't have to pay at once. You have to pay as you go. I think it just went away, but that's just fine. If that's the case, you know the best part of this is that with our system in place, we will come, we will give this to you. You don't have to put all your money in this system, not required anymore. You can pay as you go. You try it, you test it, it will work, and when it works, you can pay us. That's a small percentage, nothing much. So this is our part of the entire game. We use unique, attractive methods to attract and gain customers, and most importantly, this is not just a solution that speaks about one angle. We speak about multi-lines. Yes, there's so much that is done. So that's we are in stall number one. Those gentlemen there with the white shirt and the red tie, along with me, you can come over, kill us with your questions, ask us, because we are willing to show you what this is and transform. And that's us, it's stall number one. And we are ready for questions and answers. Anything you want. Yes, I'm here. Brilliant. So how we do it is a good thing to us. That being, now TAMS is a solution that brings all of the information together. It's a software enabled online. Say for an example, you need to generate an itinerary to the customer. It requires 5 different, say he needs to go fishing, he needs to climb Adam's Peak, and he also needs to eat something very local. Along with all this done, he also wants to go surfing. 4 requirements. So see, 4 requirements. We have a knowledge base in our system. We have knowledge base. What we enable to is click your button, tell what you want. It will put an itinerary together on a PDF. You can click, make it, send it across. That's already built. We have it. We've been using this for a very long time with one of our customers. It truly improved it. We would be more than glad to have you guys when you come along. We will show you some of the real the system itself. Yes? Any other? Anything else? Gentlemen? It's not better. That's the best part. You don't see, you can go anywhere in the world, log into your system, you can still cater to your customer's requirement. It's not for the customer. Correct. It's B2B. It's for travel agents, hotels, not for the customer. We enable you to do your work more efficiently, whereby better cost management, more conversions. Your customers have very little tolerance levels. They go away very fast. So we allow you to reduce that. Anything else? All good? Thank you very much. Just a reminder, we are stall number 1. I'll see you soon. Thank you.